Denims, especially denim jeans, are part of every wardrobe today. Be it men, women, old or young, everyone loves the pair of jeans and the denim wear that gives elegance, comfort, durability, and the sense of fashion. Denim as a material for dress was not invented when mankind started using cotton as a material. Denim is a hard wearing cotton. It is a twill fabric meant for rough use. The name denim came from the French village where it was first adopted. The name of the village was Serge Denim, Denims. The classic color that is associated with denim, the blue color that all of us associate with jeans, came much later, about 100 years later, when a German chemist by the name of Adolf Bayer invented a indigo colored chemical dye to dye these clothes. The denims that were initially used for hard use was formally corporatized by Levi-Strauss and Company, which was established in USA in the year 1850. Levi-Strauss Company had the work order for manufacturing uniforms and overalls for people who go into a lot of mining work and dust coming out of that, farmers and factory workers. They were widely used, but still they were known as working class attire. The entry of denim or denim jeans came when James Dean, in his film A Rebel Without a Cause, showing off jeans as a fashion wear. Its entry into classy dressing took a long time. It was used as a casual wear which required less washing, didn't require much of pressing, much of maintenance. Even today, many of the dressier events do not allow jeans. If we look at jeans as a fashion statement, what we are looking at are essentially three pieces of cloth. The first one, the normal trouser. The second one is a denim shirt. Third one is a denim short jacket. All these three pieces became popular thanks to the films, thanks to the sports persons. With the invention of blended fabrics, advent of other materials which could be made into expanding jeans, different colored jeans, popularity of jeans remained almost constant. A pair of good jeans could last from 8 to 10 years as compared to 1 or 2 years from a regular dress trouser or a regular dress wear. The newer elements of style have been injected into jeans. Some of the jeans have been now made into torn jeans, or deliberately they have been hard washed to show the fading nature of the fabric. As I told before, the main challenge is its acceptance in the dressier circles. The thumb rule for that, as per the fashion gurus, total attire cannot be of all denim. One piece combined with other dressier things like a pair of jeans combined with a dress shirt, or a dress trouser and a dress shirt combined with a jeans jacket, is now accepted as part of formal wear. The evolution of jean, darker shades are emerging, classy looking straight cuts have become acceptable in the formal wear segment. The only rule that is to be remembered if you want to wear jeans to a formal event is that it should be straightforward, there should be a straight cut without much of the frills. Be that as it may, durability of denim jeans or denim as a material of fabric, both as a utility as well as one of elegance and smart looking dress statement, is likely to continue for many more years to come. The denim industry is adopting fast to the requirement of both style as well as comfort. In addition, usage is being found for the denim in the upholstery segment, room dressing and home decor segment, so more economic viability is likely to come in. Thank you very much.